our paid activities to get more traffic. Lifetime budget is different versus other when you want it. The way to get the best performance in sponsored solutions is to be consistent rather than
information overload, not yet. Okay, so that will, if you would put it by all of this, will have similar data sets. So the reason why this is that if you want to look at what specific product and just focus on that.
organic traffic. This means yung non-paid. Ito yung mga natural or organic placements sa app, which is a search, we have feeds, we have yung campaign page. If nag-enroll kayo, meron kayong SKUs, they will see your products. So that is organic traffic. And for all of us, we all started here. We want to develop our organic traffic. Second is Lazada Sponsored Solutions. So Sponsored Solutions naman is our paid activities to get more traffic in the platform. So that is through sponsored affiliate, display, and discovery. Think of it as a marketplace for grocery. When you go into a grocery, yung mga items na nakikita nyo which are eye level, do you think that's just free? Or do you think coincidentally nandun lang sila nakalagay? So the answer to that is no. So brands and other companies pay to get that visibility because that is where the shoppers see the products here in Seller Center. You will see MSA, again, only during double digit and mega campaigns. So just click create, and then you will see this page. Na-mention natin one click lang because it will show you what Mega Sales Accelerator can do for your store. So number one, you will have a lifetime budget. So meron na tayong recommended budget when you try to activate Mega Sales Accelerator. Lifetime budget is different versus the daily budget that we normally use in sponsored discovery. So the lifetime budget will be the total budget for the whole duration of the mega campaign. So for example, it can start as early as 2 days before teasing until end of the day, which is June 10. So June 10. So hindi ito daily. Kasi maraming mga sellers na, laki naman, 140,000 daily budget, hindi ko kaya yun. So it's gonna be spread out into, when you see limited time offer guys, ang kailangan nyo lang tandaan, this is very aggressive. 30% rebate. So malaki siya compared to our normal incentives. But what you have to remember is, if you avail of this promo, both the top-up amount and the bonus will be converted to a voucher that will expire at the end of the day. Okay? So very important to understand. The reason is, we want you guys to maximize the traffic on 6.6 and not wait for BAU again to increase the aggressiveness of when you want to push your SKUs. So for example, nag-avail ka ng 50,000, you get a rebate of 50,000, around 65 total. The best way for you to maximize it is just create an MSA campaign worth 60,000 so that you have a campaign which will maximize the voucher and the rebate na nakuha niyo. Or, you can increase your budgets. Meron kang campaign specifically if you want to get more visibility and traffic, you can increase your campaign budgets. Don't forget to use automated bid price so that budget for your store. Try out our best practices based on the budget that you identified so you don't have to go over it. Because the way to get the best performance in sponsored solutions is to be consistent rather than be super high budget, tas 3 araw lang, 2 araw lang, 5 days lang. You can ask your VGAMs. But in terms of, if they limited in terms of answering specific questions, I think we will prepare para educational material or even LASU courses that you can follow so that you can just go back anytime you have questions.
Information overload, not yet. Okay, so the data. This is where we see our sales, our traffic, what can we improve on, what's our best sellers, ganyan. So first of all, where can we find business advisor? So in your homepage of Seller Center, you can find it under Data Insight, Business Advisor. Or you'll also see a widget here of your real-time sales for the day, and you can press more. So the first thing that will greet you under Business Advisor is actually the real-time dashboard or sales dashboard. So what you'll see here is your sales for the day. This is indicated by the blue line. And you'll also have a gray line here, which indicates your sales and traffic for the previous day. So you can check here your revenue, your visitors, buyers, page views, and orders. On the right side naman, you'll have your real-time ranking. So what this will show is on a per product level, you can filter it by. So one is our visitors. So you'll see that this store has, let's say, 8,700 visitors, and you multiply that by your conversion rate, or how many people bought versus how many people visited the page. So out of this 8,000 visitors, only 1.17% have purchased something. And now you have your revenue per buyer, or as we like to call it, our average order value. So that will, if you multiply all of these three, you'll get your total sales. So it's important to know what contributes to your sales, so that you can do improvements in terms of, let's say, this seller's visitors are down 10% versus his daily average. So maybe, like what Chan said a while ago, LSS is the perfect thing to do if you want to gain traffic. So if you see this, you can maybe visit your LSS or start investing more on your daily budget. So that's an example of what organic searches. And 556 of those are coming from seller guided, meaning at least you can see here off-platform seller guided. So that means this seller is on sponsored affiliate. So you can also do a lot of different filters, add to cart units, etc., so that you can see where your traffic is really coming from. Next naman, we'll go to our search keywords ranking. So if you press more here, you'll also have a similar data set. So the reason why this is blurred out, just to protect the seller, but it'll show you the important keywords for your store, how many have searched it, how many visitors, and page views as well. So this shows, same thing, importance of what your customers are searching to get to your product. Okay, so after the traffic, now we're in the product dashboard. This is actually pretty cool. So let's start on the left side. You have 500 items there. When you press that, you'll see your 500 non-selling items. And lastly, we have our product detail tab. So this is actually just an easy way to pinpoint one specific item. So if you have a specific item, let's say model number 123, and you type it here, you just click it, and it'll show you a sales trend chart as well. You have your date filter there as well. So if you want to look at one specific product and just focus on that one product and its performance, that's what you can see, or that's how you can enter that page. So yeah, just to summarize, like what I said a while ago, it's an analytical tool that arms you guys, the sellers, with the most accurate and relevant sales data, traffic data, and product data, just so that you can make informed decisions moving forward in terms of what you want to, let's say, release next, or if you're going to market more to a certain product, yung paglalagyan mo ng budget, this is the